Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore tax lien investing steps with Bid4Assets, complete guides. Start by visiting the Bid4Assets website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and payment details. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the platform's layout and features. Navigate to the tax lien section from the main menu. Familiarize yourself with the different properties available for bidding. Review the auction calendar for upcoming tax lien sales. Select a specific auction that interests you. Research the properties listed in the auction. Check the outstanding tax amounts and any applicable fees. Read the property descriptions carefully. Conduct a title search if necessary to understand ownership history. Set a budget based on your research and financial capacity. Place bids within your budget during the auction event. Monitor your bids throughout the auction process. If you win a bid, follow the instructions to complete your purchase. Pay the required amount promptly to secure your investment. Receive necessary documentation to finalize your ownership of the tax lien. Keep track of payment schedules and any redemption periods. Be prepared to manage your lien effectively. Consider consulting professionals for legal advice if needed. Maintain an organized record of all transactions related to your investment. Stay informed about potential changes in tax lien laws and regulations. Review your investment strategy periodically for better decision-making. Enjoy the journey of tax lien investing through Bid4Assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.